What if I told you there's a business you can start right now, with almost no money, no special experience, and you could be making sales in just a few days? It sounds too good to be true, but stick with me for the next few minutes, because I'm going to show you exactly how thousands of people are doing this every single day. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It's a real, proven business model that leverages something you probably already use every single day: social media. The business I'm talking about is print on demand, or POD for short. Now, before you click away thinking it sounds complicated, let me break it down. It's incredibly simple. You create designs for products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, and posters. Then, you partner with a print-on-demand company that handles everything else. They print the product, package it, and ship it directly to your customer. You never have to touch a single piece of inventory. You never have to deal with shipping. And you only pay for the product after you've already made a sale. This means your upfront cost is practically zero. So, how do you get started? First, you need to pick a niche. A niche is just a specific group of people with a shared interest. This is the most important step. Don't try to sell to everyone. Think about your own hobbies and passions. Are you into gardening? Maybe you're a dog lover, a cat person, a bookworm, a fitness enthusiast, or you're obsessed with a certain type of retro video game. The more specific your niche, the better. For example, instead of just dogs, you could focus on corgi owners or people who love rescue greyhounds. These communities are passionate, and they love buying products that show off their identity. Once you have your niche, it's time for the fun part: creating designs. You might be thinking, but I'm not a designer, and that's the beauty of it. You don't have to be. You can use free tools like Canva, which has thousands of templates, fonts, and graphics that you can use to create simple, text-based designs. Honestly, some of the best-selling shirts are just funny or relatable phrases in a cool font. Think about inside jokes or common sayings within your chosen niche. A simple phrase like, "just one more chapter for book lovers," or "my corgi is my cardio for corgi owners," can sell like crazy. If you want something more complex, you can hire a designer on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork for as little as $5 or $10 to create a unique design for you. The investment is tiny compared to the potential return. Now that you have a niche and a design, you need a place to sell. This is where the print-on-demand companies come in. Services like Printify or Printful are fantastic for beginners. You can sign up for free. Here's how it works. You upload your design onto their platform, place it on a virtual t-shirt or mug, and they generate a mock-up image for you. This is a professional-looking photo of your product that you can use to market it. These platforms integrate seamlessly with e-commerce sites like Etsy, Shopify, or even TikTok Shop. For absolute beginners, I highly recommend starting with Etsy. It's a massive marketplace where millions of people are already shopping for unique items. Setting up an Etsy shop is quick, easy, and costs very little. So, let's recap the process. You pick a passionate niche. You create a simple design using a free tool or hire someone for a few bucks. You sign up for a free Printify or Printful account, upload your design, and connect it to your new Etsy shop. The entire setup can literally be done in an afternoon. Now, the final piece of the puzzle is marketing. How do you get people to see your products? Again, we go back to social media. Create a TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook page dedicated to your niche. Start posting content that your target audience would love. If your niche is gardening, post gardening tips, beautiful photos of plants, or funny gardening memes. Don't just spam your products. Provide value and build a community. For every 5 or 6 posts that are pure value, post one that showcases your product. You can use the mock-up images from your POD provider, or even better, order a sample for yourself. This is the only real cost you might incur, but it's worth it. Take a picture or a short video of yourself wearing the shirt or using the mug. People connect with real content. Show them how great the product looks and feels. On platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels, a simple video showing off your design can go viral overnight and lead to a flood of sales. Use relevant hashtags to help people in your niche find you. For example, hashtag Korgalover, hashtag Gardening Life, hashtag Bookworm. Let's talk about the numbers. A basic t-shirt from a provider like Printify might cost you around $15, including shipping. You can sell it on Etsy for $25 or $30. That's a $10 to $15 profit per shirt, and you didn't have to do any of the physical work. Imagine selling just 10 shirts a day. That's an extra $100 to $150 in your pocket every single day, and that's just from one design. The real power comes from scaling. Once you find a winning design, you can create dozens of variations. You can expand your product line to hoodies, tank tops, and tote bags. The possibilities are endless. I know people who started this with $0 and are now running six-figure businesses from their laptops. They're not geniuses. They're just consistent. They understood the formula: find a passionate audience, create designs that resonate with them, and show up consistently on social media. This isn't a passive income stream at the beginning. It requires work. You need to research niches, create designs, and post content. But the work is flexible. You can do it in the evenings, on weekends, whenever you have a spare hour. And once you have a few winning designs that are selling consistently, it becomes much more passive. The systems are in place, and the sales roll in while you're sleeping, working your day job, or spending time with family. The reason this is the #1 business for beginners is the incredibly low risk. With traditional businesses, you have to invest thousands in inventory, rent, and employees. If your product doesn't sell, you're left with a garage full of boxes and a mountain of debt. With print on demand, the worst-case scenario is that your design doesn't sell. And what have you lost? A few hours of your time. You can just archive that listing and try a new design. You can test hundreds of ideas without risking a single dollar on inventory. This allows you to fail fast, learn from your mistakes, and quickly find what works. So, if you're looking for a side hustle that has real potential to become a full-time income, this is it. It's a business that rewards creativity, consistency, and understanding people. You don't need a business degree, you don't need a huge loan from the bank, and you don't need to be a tech wizard or a famous artist. You just need an idea, a laptop, and the willingness to take that first step. Start today. Brainstorm some niches you're passionate about. Go on Canva and play around with some design ideas. Set up a free account on Printify. Take action, because the only thing separating you from your first sale is getting started. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos on how to build your own online business from scratch. Let me know in the comments what niche you're thinking of starting with. I'd love to hear your ideas. See you in the next video.